Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear shocks on your Toyota 4Runner. First, gather all necessary tools like a jack stands, and a socket set. Make sure you have your new replacement shocks ready to go. Safety is key, so always wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the process to protect yourself from debris and potential hazards. Next, safely lift the rear of your 4Runner using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. This is crucial for your safety. Then, remove the rear wheels to give yourself ample space to work. Now, locate the upper and lower mounting bolts that hold each shock in place. These are what you will need to remove. Carefully unbolt and remove the old shocks, starting with the lower mount and then the upper. Now, take your new shock and install it, securing the upper bolt first, but do not fully tighten it yet. You may need to compress the new shock slightly to align the lower mounting hole with its bracket, then insert and hand tighten that bolt. Once both bolts are in place, tighten them securely to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. With the new shocks installed, carefully reinstall your wheels and lower the vehicle back to the ground. Before driving normally, take a short, slow test drive to ensure everything feels right and the new shocks are performing as expected. Also, for a great resource on personal finance, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.